Hello everyone, welcome to our today's videos. I'm Dr. Shriparna, Saxena, Head of Department Aquaculture, School of Science, Inside University, Bhopal. Today's our topic is types of fish skulls and its importance. Scale of fishes. The fish skull is a small, rigid plate that grows out of the skin of a fish. The scales provide camouflage by reflections and coloration as well as hydrodynamic advantages. On the basis of origin scales are of two types, that is epidermis and dermis. Fishes have dermal scales which forms dermal skeleton. Electric ray and catfishes have no scales. Scales are basically colorless. Function of scales. Scales protect fish from predators and parasites and also reduce friction with the water. Multiple overlapping provide a flexible covering that allow fish to move easily in water. Scales have concentric lines that help to determine age. Without this, the arrangement, number, and structure of scales helps in identification and classification of the fish species. Types of scales. Basically, 4 types of scales are found in the whole world. Number 1 is placard skull, number 2 is Ctenoid, number 3 is Ctenoid, and number 4 is Shriparna skulls. Primitive skulls are Cosmoid skulls. Bony plates were derived from 4 layers. Number 1, isopedile layer, which is deepest and compact layer. Spongy bony layer, which has many vascular spaces. Cosmoid layer, dental-like hard material called cosmoid, and number 4 is outermost layer of hard enamel-like substances. Cosmoid skulls. These skulls were present in primitive number of skulls like Sarcopteryx. That is the example of the Sarcopteryx, that is the latimeria, a living fossil. Placard skull. Presence of placard skull is a characteristic feature of elastomers like dogfish and sharks. Teeth on rostrum in shellfish are modified skulls. Ctenoid skulls composed of bone with lacunae and canaliculi on the surface of bone is a hard, shiny substance is present called ctenoid. It is rhomboid in shape and the example of is Polypterus and Garpy. Ctenoid skull guys. These skulls have comb-like projections on their pre-surface. These skulls are thin, translucent plates and composed of fibrous material covered with a layer which is similar to bone. The example is Chiliust. Cycloid skull. These skulls are roughly circular in outline. It consists of thin, bony layer of collagenous connective tissues. These skulls are located in dermis in individual pocket and have a line of growth. Cycloid skulls are common in calves. Age determination by the scales. Age and growth studies can be used to determination by maturity, age-related growth rates, survival or mortality rates, or longevity. The population age structure also. If you look at this picture, then the picture you can identify aging the fish by scales. This is the picture of light-rich fish skulls, also have annual growth rings. These closely crowded bands indicate winter periods of slow growth, just as similar bands on tree stump. Thank you for listening me. Stay tuned with us and subscribe to our Sage University Bhopal page.